Then, today we speak to you with love, gratitude, and deep longing. Since you left us, so much has changed, and yet you remain close to us in a way that words can hardly describe. You are more than just a father. You were our strength, our comfort, our laughter. You showed us what it means to stand together, to never give up, and to embrace life in an open heart. Each of us carries a part of you within us. Your warmth, your generosity, and we carry the memories you gave us. Small moments that have become big now because they help guide us through our grief. We miss your voice, hugs, your way of calming us even when everything feels heavy. But we know this: your heart continues to beat within ours. The traces you left in our lives will remain forever. Dad, we thank you for every smile, every piece of advice, every second we were blessed to share with you. We love you today, tomorrow, and always. With all our love, your kids. Yedamwase bebre. Yedamwase bebre. Yedamwase bebre.